beautiful artwork right here too. This one, the space right there. Uma noite. Oh, it's Portuguese. One night, or one note, or one night. It's one night. Wow. Look how beautiful that is right there, like that. That's a really beautiful. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. That's a really beautiful image. Just like that. So, looks like people are eating brunch in this space. You can actually sit right there. Oh, this is actually a Portuguese place, Uma Nota. Brazilian Japanese street food. Okay. So that's why it's so cool looking. Okay. So this is a pretty interesting street all the way around. And this one right here is beautiful. Just like that. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. And there's some more artwork on this side of the street too, so we're gonna go over there as well. Let's see here. So this is the other artwork that I want to catch right here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So you got a fruit stand right here. Amazing artwork, and then you can also see some of the artwork on the corner too. I'm gonna try to position myself for that. There you go, right there. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna continue on. Okay, I'm gonna frame, this is called Peel Street. So you got some pretty cool spaces right here. And we're just gonna keep walking up. Sorry. So we're gonna walk up Peel Street. And the artwork here is pretty cool. Sichuan cuisine. So yeah, look at that. And then actually had a, oh, it's a pretty cool video right here too. Look at this. Peel Street is pretty amazing. There's a little alley right there. But this guy right here has a nice red beard. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. I'm like, let's see what else is on Peel Street. Some good artwork. Okay, so we're gonna, dang. So we're gonna go up, got a temple here. There's actually more to see up on Peel Street up this way too. There we go. Yeah, dang, this is pretty cool right here. So I'm gonna walk back down again because it's such an interesting street. Actually coming down I can go slower, take my time more, catch better angles. Let me just capture some of this. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna keep going down. Okay, we're just going to continue here. I had to stop. I had to get a picture of this guy with the red beard. So if you see me, so got my red beard too. So we're gonna go down. This street is pretty cool because you got some pretty nice public spaces here. So here's one right here. How cool that is. Sichuan. So we're gonna keep on walking down as well. Another nice space right here. Actually, the lighting is a little bit different. Coming down, going up, the lighting is great. There we go. Yeah, that's interesting. Long time. Okay. So we're going to capture some of this art. This is a Portuguese, Brazilian Japanese. And you can sit right there. And this is the one I like. And I just filmed, the last film I did, I just filmed this one. We showed quite a bit of it as well. So now we captured that. A cool view right there. And now we're gonna go this way right here, and we're gonna capture this. And also I captured this on another one too, but now the truck has moved. So we're just gonna wait for this one. Wait for this taxi. There we go. So we're gonna run across right now. That's a pretty cool frame shot right there. And right here we have a fruit stand with that beautiful mural. And if you film it, put it like that, got a pretty good space right there. That space and this space. Yeah, it's beautiful. Just gonna run down this. Space is beautiful. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down Peel Street. Got some really nice angles here. There's a park that's down this way. Sometimes I have walked and filmed in that space before, but I'm gonna focus on Peel Street today. These pigeons. Okay. Gonna keep on walking down the street. Looks like they're selling different stuff on the street today. I believe this is all Peel Street. They're selling stuff here too. Gate Street. Okay, Gate Street is another pretty cool street. So Gate Street this way, and then this way they sell fresh fruit in this space, but it's not as busy at the moment as it is other times. So we're gonna keep on walking down Peel Street. Let's see. Gate Street. That's Peel Street up that way, and we're gonna go down this way. Follow these little kiosks. These kiosks are closed today too, at the moment. So I don't know, I think I might just conclude in this space right here. I think it's already at 4.5 minutes. So we're just gonna conclude at Gate Street. So Peel all the way down to Gate Street. And this will be our final spot for this particular picture, this video. Here we go.